Hi everyone and welcome to Joy as It Flies. If you're new here, I'm Teresa and I deal with the cooking side of this channel. So today I am making pita bread and I absolutely love this recipe. It's so simple and it comes together really quickly. It is a yeasted dough, so you have the time that it needs to rise, but I have made them before where I cook them in the pan and those are lovely, but this one, they cook in the oven and it just means that you don't have to spend ages cooking. It's done so quickly. You can just pop them all in the oven together and about 6 to 8 minutes, you then have lovely warm pita breads. In a bowl, I've mixed together the flour, water, yeast, salt and a little bit of bicarb, and a bit of oil. And I've just popped that into the mixer to do all the hard work for me. You can absolutely do this by hand. You want to make sure that you have a really smooth dough. So about 8 minutes in a stand mixer and at least 10 by hand. And it should be, as I said, nice and a smooth dough that isn't sticky and comes away from the side of the bowl. And then you want to pop a cover on that. I absolutely love using these reusable shower caps that I just got from the pound shop, but they are the perfect thing for covering food or certainly for dough. And then that just rests until it doubles in size, about an hour. I make 8 pitas with this recipe. If you want slightly smaller ones, you can just divide the dough into more pieces, or obviously if you want bigger ones, into less. But I think these are the perfect size for a kebab, or if you're going to be using it for, well, whatever dish you're going to be using it for. So you roll those each into a ball after you've divided them, and then roll them out into either a round shape or, as I'm doing here, more like an oval. So put the pitas onto a floured baking tray, and then that goes into a preheated oven, and you want the oven on its highest setting. And it is so satisfying watching these puff up in the oven. And pardon the reflections of the cat wanting to come and have a look. And there you have it. Lovely pita breads. These are best if you take them out of the oven and wrap them straight away up into a piece of tin foil or a tea towel. It makes them really lovely and soft and will help them retain their heat. Then you can warm them up later if you need to, and they will keep really well for a few days. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.